Hello, uh, welcome everybody. So we'll be uh, looking into how to track the live traffic on our website using Google Analytics. Okay, so just take you back. Just log on to google.com/analytics. So actually, it will be redirected to this new URL marketingplatform.google.com/about/analytics. Okay, so you'll be reaching this page, and from here actually you have to sign into analytics. You can sign in using any of your Google account. So this is a Google account that I have already set Google Analytics for my website, so I'm just signing in to analytics. Just wait, it's just loading. Yeah, so this is the dashboard of one of my website. So here on the left side you can see certain menus, links. Okay, so if you want to know the real-time traffic on your website, the live traffic on your website, you have to click on the real-time link, and it will show certain sublinks. Under that you have to click on the overview. Loading. Okay, yeah, so when you click on the overview, you will see that right now there are 3 active users on the site, and they are mainly from desktop. They are mainly desktop users. Okay, and top referrals, they are not from any referrals. Top social traffic, they are not from any social media sites. And top keywords, they are not from any search keywords. Traffic is direct almost. Okay, so the traffic, the top this is the top active pages on which they have landed. The top active pages, like they have landed on my illustrations page, reverse page, waterfalls page. And if you further go down, you will see the location wise segmentation. If you just hover your mouse on this orange button, you can see that there are 3 active users from Kochi. Okay, so it's a local website, so most of the traffic is from Kochi. Okay, so like this you can just get an overview about your live traffic on your website, and that you using Google Analytics. Okay, so later on I will be discussing more about the other options that are available in Google Analytics. Okay, till then stay tuned. Okay, I hope it has been useful for you. So if you like this video, just like this video, click the like button for this video, and just subscribe for this channel. I'll be coming up with more useful videos for you in the future. Okay, till then stay tuned. Bye.